Hey feds, let's take a look at this question that was asked in one of our workshops. Is one FEHB plan, the Federal Employee Health Benefit Plan, is one of those plans better than another when you combine it with Part B? Good question, but let's just make sure we're asking the right questions. The first right question you should ask is which of those plans is right for you health-wise? Because you may get another one that financially may be better, but health-wise it's not better for you, but financially it is, which doesn't make sense because if you're paying for something, you may want to make sure that it is covering you for all of your needs. So the first thing you got to look at is health-wise, what are the right plans for me? And that may come out to be several plans. I don't know. But once you determine that, then you can say, are one of those better than another with Part B? And the answer is possibly. In fact, there are some plans that if you do their plan and you do Medicare Part B, which you also have another premium for, the FEHB plan will reimburse you maybe even $600-800 per person per year, which can help offset your FEH or your Medicare Part B premium, which you gotta admit is pretty cool. So yes, there are some reimbursements, some rebates in there in that way, and there aren't a lot of them. There are a few of them, and I don't know what they are off the top of my head, but that is something that you'll want to talk to someone about and take a look at and see, okay, when I combine those, how can I save money and yet still have an incredible insurance setup? Because when you do that, Medicare Part B pays 80%, FEHB will pay 20%, and you will pay zero. Really no out-of-pocket costs. There are some exceptions always, but overall, no out-of-pocket. Pretty cool. Some things you'll learn at one of our workshops.